Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to change Grammarly settings. So let's get started. So what you can do is just go to this Grammarly icon option and you'll be in the home of Grammarly home screen. Then what you can do is just go to this account option. And then on your left hand side you'll be having the settings option over here. So over here you'll be having a lot of settings. You can security overview your device, you can have the recent activities, two-step verification. You can also check in your profiles that you can change, update your name, create a new password, your linked accounts, and also the emails and everything. So you can also go over here and you can change your language settings like this. Go over here, drop down menu, and just change to any one of this. So this is how you change settings in Grammarly. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. That's pretty much. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment for any queries that you have. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.